Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Designs. I'm so sorry, this is kind of a part 2 from that scrapbook.com. I was getting ready to put all the trash in the box that it came in, and I realized there were these 3 glass pieces. So I also picked up for that album kit, the Bloom Where You're Planted, ephemera cards. Let me see, they call it journaling and ephemera cards. So these range from 4x6 to 3x4. And of course, you know, those will be so handy on this project. And so you can see all of them right there. And whatever I don't use, just as an encouragement, when you do projects like this and you have extras, save them. Use them in your Bible journaling. Use them in your regular journal that if you keep a journal. These are so much fun. And if I remember right, let me see what the backs of these look like. It's been a while. I know. I just tore it and ruined it, didn't I? Yeah, you can write on the backs of these. So how much fun is that? These are perfect, perfect, perfect. So, all right. So there's that I messed up. But I will find a way to fix it. And then I also picked up, I loved the Simple Stories Country Christmas line, but I did not order it. But I wanted the mini sticker tablet because I just thought there's so much. Hold on, I didn't cut this ahead. My mistake. There's so much in this particular kit or this particular booklet that I thought, oh yeah, man, you could use that anywhere. And I'm really thinking of planners when I do this. So just so you know, that's what I'm thinking. But let's see here. Okay, and again, I'm still here, and excuse this, we're just kind of doing makeshift, but it works. So you get that, and look how tiny they are. These are perfect for planners. Bible journaling, your journal, you've got the words. I love that, the word fetty. And then there's the squares for your journal, for your planner, pardon me. Another one of these. Look at the dates. I love this. And then you've got the Shine Bright, Peace and Love, Dear Santa, Ho Ho Ho. And this one says Merry, it says Xmas. I don't necessarily like those. I like Christmas. Trim the Tree, Spark Joy, Family Time. Super cute. Love that. Oh, and I love the vintage St. Nicholas. My mom loved and collected. She had a friend who made gorgeous Santa Clauses. I wonder if she still does. She may not be with us anymore. I'll have to look in on her and see if I can find her. I haven't heard from her in a long, long time. But they were gorgeous. And I don't remember if we got any of them. Probably somebody else took them. But anyways, but she did all the St. Nicholases, and we shared a booth at the market days in the town of Wimberley, Texas. And so she was very gracious, and she would say, if you'll take care of my half, you can have the other half, and you can run the booth. And we were like, okay. And that way she didn't have to come, and we had a great booth. So anyways, look at all the little like postage washi, cute. And then the little, like library card tabs, super cute. The circles, ooh, bigger dates, love that. All the words, word fetty, all Christmas. And oh, here it is back here. And it's kind of in a like craft or wood. It's really pretty. It's very different. That's why I thought this one was really neat. So anyways, that's why I came back. I'm sorry, I should have caught this on the first one, but I wanted to make sure I shared that with you. All right, my friends. I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Thanks for being here, and thanks for always putting up with my boo-boos. I appreciate that. And, all right, like, subscribe, share, leave a message, all that good stuff. And I will be talking to y'all soon. Y'all have a great day. Bye-bye.